that may be coming your way in terms of flood insurance.
That is right, Tina. New flood maps are set to take effect later this month in some coastal counties, including Chatham. Now, some people may find themselves moving into a high-risk flood area that will now require flood insurance depending on their mortgage. Overall, though, one local insurance agent says despite where you live, consider recent weather events before you say no to flood insurance.
The water doesn't know where to stop. The water doesn't say I'm going to stop here because it's a lower risk zone. Gravity determines where the flood waters go.
Pat Parker says many people in Chatham County could benefit from flood insurance and that recent hurricanes prove his point.
Especially what we've seen here locally since Irma. Some areas that flooded were in what's called a low risk flood zone. And they can find out if the maps are, when they're changing, what they're being changed to, and if they are affected.
Changing flood maps may take some people now in an X zone where flood insurance is not required and move them to an area where it is required.
And so once that happens, you're going to get contacted by the mortgage company saying your flood zone has changed. You're now in a high risk zone. You're going to be required to have it. Please contact your insurance representative and get that in place.
These notices should be sent to those with federally backed mortgages. Parker says don't ignore a notice. If you do, the mortgage holder may buy insurance for you, and it might not be the cheapest or the best coverage.
Because you want to make sure you have both contents coverage and property coverage. And the mortgage is only concerned about the property and not the belongings inside the property.
Despite changing maps, Parker urges any mortgage holder and those with their homes paid off to consider flood coverage, even if you live in a so-called low-risk area.
People somehow get pulled into a false sense of security that they don't need it, when in actuality they should have it and they do need it, and it's actually less expensive than the higher risk flood zone.
He says buying or keeping flood insurance when it's not required could help you if it ever is.
So they can be grandfathered in at a better rate than if they didn't have flood insurance, and then they have to have it.
And now to recap, if you are in an X zone now and you have insurance, Parker urges you not to drop it. If you do want to buy it, it does take 30 days to become effective in the X zone. Again, for those moving to a higher risk area, those with federally backed mortgages will now be required to purchase flood insurance. And if you get that notification from your mortgage company or maybe even from FEMA, Parker says don't ignore it. He also says the cost of insurance can vary depending on where you live and when and how your home was built. To find out how you may be affected by changing maps, you can contact your city or county floodplain administrator or your own insurance agent. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.